Good morning, children. Take out your English book, Gulmohar. Open it at page number 7, chapter number 2. Grandpa Farooq's Garden. Children, we are going to read this lesson. Grandpa Farooq's garden was Amir's favorite place. Amir loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. They worked together in the garden every week. When they finished, they enjoyed the fresh fruits from the garden. One day, Grandpa was very quiet. He worked in the garden without saying a word. They plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa didn't eat any. "What's wrong, Grandpa?" asked Amir. "My garden is dying, Amir," replied Grandpa. "Why do you think so?" asked Amir. "Look closely," said Grandpa. "Some pests are eating the plants." Amir looked at the leaves of the plant nearby. Half the leaves had been chewed off. Now turn over your page to 8. "Can't we do something to stop this?" asked Amir. "We need ladybirds," said Grandpa. "They are very useful bugs. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them?" "Don't worry, Grandpa. I'll bring you a bug or two," said Amir. Amir went home and began to look for the ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found 2 ladybirds while walking home from school. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. He carefully picked them up and brought them home. Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. He kept some food and water for them in the box. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. He found 3 of them sitting on one leaf. "Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa," he said, carefully picking them up. Two days later, Amir found 4 more at the park. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. The next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farooq's house. With a big smile on his face, he showed Grandpa the box with the ladybirds. Grandpa couldn't believe it. "You have done well. Oh, my boy, you have done so well," Grandpa said with a tear in his eye. Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden and let the ladybirds out. The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pests to eat there. From that day on, Grandpa Farooq's garden did what garden should do. It grew and grew and grew. Now children, there are some new words in the chapter and we'll read the meaning of these new words. First word is plucked. It means picked fruits from where they were growing. Okay. Plucked means picked. Okay. Then my garden is dying. It means all the flowers and plants in the garden are dying or drying up and becoming smaller and weaker. Closely means carefully, with a lot of attention. Pests means insects or animals that eat plants. Chewed off means bitten off parts of leaves. Ladybirds. They are small round insects which are red or orange with black spots. This is a ladybird. Okay. Now bugs. Bugs means small insects. Twigs. Twigs means small and thin branches of a tree. Got it?